In this video, I want to break down 6 side hustle ideas. Up to $2,500 a week just use
earning $1,579 per day by
7 to 8 most popular online business models.
There are plenty of buzzwords that echo deep within the dungeons of the internet. Tons of gurus are out there talking about making cash online, but are they saying anything of substance? Are their claims confirmed by others? Have they succeeded or even experienced what they are talking about? In this episode, we will delve deeply into these questions and explore whether you can really make money on the internet. There are some fixed ideas that side hustle gurus often repeat, telling the same story in different ways. Additionally, certain internet trends, like cryptocurrency or AI, often emerge. These trends can start with a strong impact, with some early adopters even becoming millionaires. However, over time, they can become playgrounds for scammers. Despite this, there are valuable opportunities right in front of us that many fail to see due to the overwhelming buzzwords. To find the truth, you need to ignore the hype, assess your own abilities, and consider how you can provide value to people on the internet. So yes, the internet can pay off. Consider the value of money. Under what circumstances would you pay someone to do a job you can't do, don't have time for, or lack the special equipment to complete? You would pay someone to handle the task because they can provide something you can't. The same principle applies to the internet. If you can find a job that many people cannot do, and for which people are willing to pay, then you've found a valuable opportunity. Fortunately, you don't need to spend hours searching for these opportunities or give up because of laziness. I have an online job idea to share with you: content writing. Does content writing look like this to you? Boring, time-consuming, requires talent. Are you scared? Don't be. Look at these top content writers and creators. They all started where you are now. Here's the main point to focus on.
Never give up, never surrender.
Starting is the most important part of becoming successful. If you don't start, you can't succeed, right? You need to practice a lot, whether with pen and paper or just with a computer. My personal recommendation is to write about topics you have technical knowledge in. If you don't have technical knowledge, no worries. Just choose a niche that interests you and start researching and writing about what you learn. You'll find that the words will flow as you type. And remember, the internet offers plenty of opportunities. Stay consistent with your efforts and subscribe.